check out this bird feeder for hummingbirds. If you guys can see it, it costs a couple of ounces in here. Very colorful, beautiful, highlighted. It looks like multiple flowers. Now, since I put it here, it's been a big hit. So I have this other one versus plain, but this one has attracted more different types of hummingbirds than any other because of, I guess, of the color. So I like that they has a little stands here for every single one of them, in a little pointy, and the little flowers in there. If you guys can see that, beautiful hummingbird stand. And they have different kind of grips. This is one of them. If you guys can see, I use this one. The hook is a shorter hook instead of the rope or the longer hook. So the longer you could stretch it out, and they give you a couple accessories for it. We're gonna do a little review over it, but this is pretty awesome. I like it. All right, they do give you a little rope, a cleaner, a little brush, if you guys can see it, and then another different type of hook, and then the hook that was actually installed. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.